Hello Hungry Fam, I'm Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few chocolate hacks from 5-minute crafts and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the flourless mug cake, I'm adding 1 tablespoon cocoa powder in a different bowl. To that, add 1 beaten egg and 1 tablespoon Nutella. Mix it all together. And transfer it into a heat-proof mug. You can make the batter in the mug itself. Add 1 strawberry in the center and microwave it for a minute. Remove it from the mug and drizzle some caramel sauce over it. You will find the recipe in the description box below. It's not looking like the video, but let's cut this microwave cake. Now let's taste the flourless microwave cake. It is a bit bitter, but it's not bad. I like the taste. The strawberry is very soft, but yet it has a nice bite. Overall, I like this hack and it is very quick. Okay, I just microwaved it for like a minute and it turned out really well. It's not eggy, which is a plus point. I like this, so this hack was successful. For the next hack, I'm adding 1 cup of melted dark chocolate on a baking paper. Spread it out using a palette knife or a flat spatula. Then using a toothpick or a skewer, draw a few leaves on it. Please don't judge my drawing, as you know I'm not that artistic. To give it that curve effect, I'm placing it between 2 bottles of water and let it set for 15 to 20 minutes or until the chocolate hardens. Now let's demold it. The bottom layer is completely broken, so be very careful while demolding. Handle it very delicately. Also, don't spread the chocolate into a thin layer. Keep it thoda medium thick. Luckily, I could save 5 to 6 petals, which are enough for our plating. I know the plating is not the prettiest, but I tried my best. Honestly, it's a bit difficult. Now, I'm going to add hot strawberry sauce. And you can see how beautifully the chocolate petals are falling off. Clearly, the hack works. It looks a bit pretty now and actually like a flower. So, this hack was successful. For the next hack, you just need 2 ingredients. I'm making only 2 cookies, so I added 2 tablespoons Nutella and 1/4 cup of flour. Mix it to form a dough. Divide it into 2 equal parts and make 2 individual balls out of it. Place it on a baking tray which is lined with baking paper. Flatten it out using a spoon. Bake it for 8 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. The 2 ingredient cookies actually worked. Only difference is the melted or the lava effect, which we didn't get, but it's fine because the cookies turned out so good. They just melted in my mouth. It's perfectly crispy from the outside and soft from the inside. This was undoubtedly one of my favorite hacks and it was a success. For the choco lava cake, I'm making half the batter. Add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon sugar and whip it using a beater until it's fluffy. To that, add half cup of melted dark chocolate and whip again. Finally, add 1/4 cup of flour and mix it using a hand whisk. Grease the ramekin mold with oil or butter. Then fill it up to 3/4. Bake it for 8 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now remove it from the mold. And let's cut it into half. Again, we didn't get the chocolava effect, but it's fine. Now let's taste the chocolava cake, which in our case is not actually a chocolava, but let's see how it tastes. Okay, it is super chocolatey and not at all eggy, which is amazing. I exactly baked it for what they mentioned. Maybe we didn't get the lava effect because of the difference in the oven, but otherwise I love the taste and it is a good cupcake or maybe a cake because it is very gooey from the inside. So for me, this hack was also a success. For the next hack, I've taken 100 grams of rice noodles, that is vermicelli, which we use in kheer. Only that we use the roasted vermicelli and this is the raw one. Break it into pieces and add it into a bowl. It causes a lot of mess, but don't call me weird, it's actually satisfying. Now add 1 cup of melted milk chocolate and mix. Again, it was very messy, so I did it off camera. Place it between 2 bowls, which I placed ulta, that is upside down. Now let it set for an hour. Let's remove and decorate it. Wow, it looks exactly like a bird nest. I'm adding few Cadbury shots, Rice Krispies and sprinklers. I'm also piping some whipped cream. You can decorate it however you want. Just look at how pretty it looks. I don't think so this is more of like a tasting wala hat, but this is more of a decoration hat, which I think is amazing, but I'll just taste it. No, I don't think so. It's edible because the vermicelli, like the rice vermicelli they used, is not roasted. So it is very kadak, like, you know, hard. It's super hard. I can't even chew it. So I don't think so it's edible. But the decoration hack definitely worked. So it was a success. For the next hack, I'm piping melted dark chocolate on a silicone cupcake mold in a dripping kind of a design. Let it set. It took about 20 minutes to completely set. Now let's demold it. It broke into pieces as I was trying to demold it. I also demolded one more cup, which I tried. Even that broke, so I don't know what I did wrong, but for me this hack was busted. Try these fun hacks and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Vaishnavi Singh, Amina Siddiqui and Surbhi Jha. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.